The master gave this instruction: Tsogyal, the sentient beings of the three realms of samsara, have not cut through the bardo states. Therefore they take rebirth and circle throughout the three realms. During the 5 kinds of bardo states you should recognize the ultimate sphere during the bardo of this life, like a lost child, reuniting with his mother. Clarify what is unclear by recognizing your nature during the bardo of samadhi, like a vain girl looking into a mirror. Connect habitual tendencies with samadhi during the bardo of dreaming, like the flow of a river. Continue experience during the bardo of birth and death, like reconnecting a broken water pipe. Connect with residual karma during the bardo of becoming, like lighting a lamp in a dark room. Unless you cut through these 5 bardos, you will find no chance to sever the root of samsara.